Morning guys, it is April 26, 2021. Anyway, I got a call from an elderly lady. She got no heat. I can barely hear her. She must be deaf, having a hard time hearing. She's having a hard time hearing me, so I can almost scream into the phone. Crazy. But anyway, I'm gonna go over there, see if we can get the old lady some heat.
Turn left on Cornell Street.
People are completely deaf and they're calling you on the phone. I can't hear you. I can't hear you. I gotta put in my hearing aid. It's like, lady. Only in America. But anyway, we're gonna go over there and see if we can get it going for her. From what I guess I worked for her before, from what she said, so. We'll see if we can figure out what's going on and get the lady some heat. Not that warm today. It's probably 45 out. Not crazy cold, but you can't be without heat. We're dropping down in like the, I don't know, high 30s at night. Still a little early for it to be really warm yet. No AC. I got a bunch of calls I gotta do once it gets a little warmer out, but yeah, the pipe's not even warm. See if we can light the pilot on this thing. I think we... Oh, beast. Full automatic. Full automatic. Push manual. You got the fan on upstairs running all the time? Well, somebody's been playing around in here. What a flipping beast. Pilot's out. Pilot's out.
That's what I thought.
Yeah, but that's one of those old ones. I don't think I can even get parts for that style anymore. See if I can light it again. I did that last time. We talked about you putting a new furnace in, you remember? You're not sick, are you?
What?
You don't got the covert, do you?
No.
No.
I got my shots.
Oh, God. We'll see if we can light it again for you. Unbelievable. Try lighting it again. A real old one, man. I got this thing to pilot. Does he have the fan on upstairs? The fan's running all the time down there. Underneath. I'm gonna have to look at it. Yeah, the pilots, look at that. Look at that for the pilot. Unbelievable. See if I can release it if it stays on, because if that thing don't stay on, yeah, it's staying on. The pilot will stay on. I got the gas valve back on. It's not firing. I don't have a generator like that with a flat. There's no way. There's no way. We'll have them parts. It turns in the back. 20 by 10. It's gonna be a little 22-inch wide furnace.
It's right in the hallway on the left-hand side.
What the hell? She's got to turn all the way down. The switch is now it's running. This thing here should heat up and then turn the fan on. Fan cycle switch. It's going to heat up to 150 and then the fan should kick in. When that gets to 150, she should turn on. Belt's still there. Should probably oil it while I'm here. Got oilers on there while I'm here. Got little oilers. It's got to heat up to 150 and then 130 and then it'll kick in. That fan should kick on in 1 minute. See that when it gets to 150? I gotta oil it. They got a separate switch for the fan for summer. There's no AC. There goes the fan. Should really oil it, you know. Watch your fingers, Mama. Alright, oil the fan. She's wobbling. Looking so kosher back there. It's running. Fan's gonna look like on this thing, look. I'm gonna get the fan cycle switch back together here. And that pulls for automatic, push for manual. So it should be on automatic. And then there's a separate switch on the side there for just the fan. Job and a half there. We got it lit. Unbelievable. Shit, I gotta deal with it. Alright, so we lit the pilot. I got some measurements. It is running. I just do have that switch off. That runs just the fan. So you know how that works now. Leave that one off and this one on.
Yep.
And I will get you a price on a replacement. It's this thing's old. This is probably back in the 60s, you know, or maybe older than that. When was the house built? In the 50s?
I don't know. We 1976 we moved in.
Yeah, but when was the house built?
It wasn't there, but maybe, I don't know, maybe 3, 4, maybe 10 years, I don't know.